Hi everyone. So today we're going to clean our headlights. They're a little hazy from the sides especially. So we're going to use some materials that we're going to show you. And we're going to make these headlights look like new. The first thing you're going to need is baking soda toothpaste. You have to make sure it has some baking soda inside of it. This will help take off all the haze in the also grab some microfiber cloths. You can also get a spray bottle full of water. It's also a good idea to grab some wax to seal the finish afterwards. Okay, now first you should spray the headlight with some water to clean it off. And wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Make sure it's completely dry from all sides, especially the parts where you're going to remove the haze from. Paste and put it in a little container. You don't want to waste all of the toothpaste, so it's a good idea just to have a little bit. Now you're going to use your microfiber cloth to grab some of that toothpaste and just gently rub the toothpaste on top of the headlight. Okay, now take one toothbrush and rub it on top of the headlight. Gently. And now you're just going to spray some water on top of that toothpaste. And you're going to rub that toothpaste right off. You can apply some extra pressure to get that toothpaste off and use some more water as well. So this is what the final product looks like at the end. It's a little bit brighter and cleaner, but it doesn't completely work because all the haze on the corners and the sides are still there. But it does look a little bit brighter and cleaner.